Welcome to Kitchen Cook-Off. Welcome to Kitchen Cook-Off at 7:30 on a lovely spring morning. I'm here today with Tom. Introduce yourself, Tom.
I'm Tom. I'm a regional exec in the
That's
South.
enough. Introduce yourself, Will.
Hi, I'm Will.
Thank you. I challenged them both this morning to make an Easter baked item. So I'll see you both in the kitchen.
So today I'm making a Easter Rocky Road roulade. So we've got some eggs, Biscoff, Cadbury's cream eggs, cocoa, sugar, double cream, Biscoff biscuits, mini eggs, some white chocolate and dark chocolate eggs, and also some Easter chocolate.
I'm making a pasteria napolitana, which is like a classic Italian Easter tart. Normal tart case, risotto rice, and then whipped up with eggs and ricotta with some candied orange in there as well. That's going to be with a whipped mascarpone and hot cross bun crumb. So I'm just going to rub together flour and butter. I'm going to put a little bit of orange zest in there as well, because that would be quite nice. We'll have to use this machine. Well.
So I'm going to start by making my roulade sponge, which is a chocolate base made with the egg yolks and sugar, whipped egg whites with cocoa powder and plain flour. Then fold through the rest of the egg whites. So just a little chef tip, if you crumple up the paper, then unroll it. It will then go into all the little corners and crevices. I'm going to fold that through. You don't want to overwork this because you want a nice amount of bubbles and aeration in the batter.
Oh, crumbs. Gavin's here, Will.
Morning.
Morning, chef.
Morning.
What inspired you to choose this dish?
That'd be my great-grandmother. She comes from Tuscany and came over here just after the war.
Okay.
And this is her classic recipe.
Lovely. So what makes this an Easter recipe apart from the story that you just fabricated?
Apart from that, it was used when all the rice was harvested. It was to use up the last of it around the Easter period.
Lovely.
So I'm just rolling out the pastry, and then we're going to get the filling in and baking.
What inspired you to make this dish?
Family life, really. So I've got 4 children. You know, one of the things I like to do with them is bake. Things like a chocolate roulade or a simnel cake. I've got them baking and making bread. So it's really important to show them cooking techniques and things like that from a very early age.
So we're going to cook out this carnaroli rice.
This is the filling for the traditional Italian granddad's recipe, yeah?
So we're going to cook this out, mix it with some whipped up eggs and sugar, put that in the tart case and bake it.
Okay, so I'm sat here with Will and Tom. We're nearly done. Tom, why don't you tell us what you've done first of all?
Pasteria napolitana.
And Will?
So I've done a Rocky Road Easter roulade.
Look at that, one-handed, ladies and gentlemen, one-handed.
There's a little bit of hot cross bun crumb. There you are.
Look at this.
Okay, we'll do a swap.
Thank you very much.
Right, I mean, let's go. It's quite nice. Was it your grandma, your granddad, someone? It's quite nice. I like it.
Nice.
There is Easter vibes and after Easter vibes. I like it. Pretty successful day. Thank you all. That's actually really good. 2 dishes, one perfect for Easter, one perfect for just after Easter. If you've got, oh God, that many hours in the day, give it a go. Happy Easter, everyone.